antes del día final.
You said just record, so here I am.
Venimos a Walmart porque vivimos en Carolina del Norte y nos va a pegar el huracán. Pero hace unos días todo eso estaba vacío. Estamos ¿qué día es hoy? 14 de septiembre y ya ahorita ya pusieron en la señal que dice que nos limitamos a 4 cosas de agua por cliente.
Okay.
Español, por favor.
No. Okay. Hold on. Just give me a second.
Estábamos caminando por Walmart y vean lo que nos encontramos. La misma GoPro, que tengo un video de eso, está en 399 solo la pura GoPro. Todos los accesorios que están aquí atrás venían con la GoPro, que fueron menos de lo que pagué. Cada uno está como en 60 o 40 dólares cada uno. Entonces, buena compra.
Which vacuum do you want?
I don't know which one.
I mean, it's the same one, but...
I mean, it's the same one, which one?
Fine, we'll go with the one in the back. It has a 4.3 review, so...
Oh.
As soon as I started dancing. You gotta switch it out for like another one now.
What is this?
It's a sheep.
Sheep?
Yeah.
I thought it was a llama.
I can see that too. You think it's a sheep or a llama?
I think it's a llama.
You think it's a llama?
I don't know, it's just sad llama.
Normalmente, en esa sesión, normalmente es los luces para la cabeza. I don't even know what Chucky is. My style right now is just absolutely terrible. I mean, it's 12 a.m. at Walmart. This is just gaps in the crack foam. So like if you spray it in the door really fast, it'll like pop up and dry really quickly and like seal off the crack of the door so the water won't get in.
Trapped at her home near the coast for several days, I'm ready to eat my young. Now that former Trump campaign chair Paul Manafort has flipped and has pleaded guilty to federal fraud and corruption charges, what
things up as you're looking for? Under the sea. Under the sea. Okay, so behind me here is the main river that feeds Boone. So we're in the New River Basin towards the end of it, and this is the New River here. It runs all the way throughout Boone.